Imagine living a life where every dollar serves a purpose and simplicity leads to prosperity. In today's video, we're diving deep into the heart of financial minimalism, a lifestyle choice that's not just about saving money, it's about creating freedom. From 20s minimalism finance to extreme minimalism, we'll explore how frugal living and minimalist habits can transform your financial future. Discover the benefits of minimalism and learn how to become a financial minimalist with practical tips that you can start applying today. Say goodbye to financial stress and hello to a life of modern minimalism. Ready to change your life? Let's get started. Practical steps and a detailed guidance on how to embrace financial minimalism in everyday life. 1. Audit your expenses. Take a close look at your spending patterns over the past few months. Identify recurring expenses, discretionary spending, and areas where you may be overspending. Look for opportunities to cut back on non-essential items and redirect those funds towards savings or debt repayment. 2. Create a budget. Establishing a budget is essential for managing your finances effectively. Start by calculating your total monthly income and listing all your essential expenses, such as housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and debt payments. In a world that often measures success by the accumulation of material wealth and possessions, it's all too easy to become ensnared in the endless pursuit of more. However, buried beneath the layers of consumerism lies a powerful truth. True wealth is not found in the abundance of possessions, but in the richness of our experiences and the depth of our connections. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and inspiration, and let's embark on this journey toward financial liberation together. Allocate a portion of your income for savings and discretionary spending, ensuring that your expenses do not exceed your income. 3. Prioritize needs over wants. In a consumer-driven society, it's easy to succumb to the temptation of unnecessary purchases. Practice discernment by distinguishing between needs and wants. Focus on fulfilling your basic needs first before indulging in discretionary spending. Ask yourself whether a particular purchase is essential for your well-being or merely a fleeting desire. In our modern world, where the pressures of consumerism and materialism are ever present, it can be all too easy to lose sight of what truly matters. We are bombarded with messages telling us that happiness can be bought, that success is measured in possessions, and that fulfillment lies in the accumulation of wealth. But deep down, we know that true happiness cannot be found in the latest gadgets or designer labels. It comes from living a life of purpose, passion, and authenticity. 4. Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, pause and consider its long-term impact on your finances and well-being. Ask yourself whether the item brings value to your life and aligns with your values and priorities. Avoid impulse purchases and instead focus on investing in experiences and items that enhance your quality of life and contribute to your long-term happiness. Financial minimalism offers us a way out of this endless cycle of consumption, a path to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. It is a philosophy that challenges us to question our priorities, to reevaluate our spending habits, and to embrace a simpler, more intentional way of life. 5. Declutter your finances. Simplify your financial life by consolidating accounts, automating bill payments, and reducing unnecessary paperwork. Streamline your financial management processes to save time and reduce stress. Eliminate unnecessary subscriptions or memberships that you no longer use and unsubscribe from promotional emails to minimize distractions and temptations. By decluttering our finances and aligning our spending with our values, we can create a space for what truly matters: time with loved ones, pursuing our passions, and making a positive impact on the world around you. 6. Build an emergency fund. Financial emergencies can arise unexpectedly, such as medical expenses, car repairs, or job loss. To prepare for such situations, establish an emergency fund consisting of 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Set aside a portion of your income each month to gradually build up your emergency fund, prioritizing liquidity and safety of principal. In the words of renowned tidying expert Marie Kondo, the question of what you want to own is actually the question of how you want to live your life. With this insight as our guiding light, we embark on a journey of intentional living, carefully curating our possessions and expenditures to reflect our deepest values and aspirations. 7. Reduce debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving financial freedom and stability. Develop a debt repayment plan by prioritizing high-interest debt and making additional payments whenever possible. Consider consolidating high-interest debt into a lower-interest loan or negotiating with creditors to lower your interest rates. Stay disciplined and consistent in your debt repayment efforts until you become debt-free. 8. Invest wisely. Investing is essential for building long-term wealth and achieving financial independence. Educate yourself about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment goals when selecting investments. Diversify your investment portfolio to minimize risk and maximize returns, and regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your financial objectives. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more minimalism content like this, and to help spread the word to all minimalists out there in need of this guidance. 9. Cultivate gratitude. In a culture that often equates happiness with material possessions, it's essential to cultivate gratitude for what you already have. Take time to appreciate the simple pleasures of life, such as spending time with loved ones, enjoying nature, and pursuing hobbies. Practice mindfulness and focus on the present moment, acknowledging the abundance that surrounds you and expressing gratitude for the blessings in your life. 10. Set financial goals. Define clear, specific, and achievable financial goals that reflect your values and aspirations. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world, having a roadmap for your financial journey is crucial for success. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps and develop a timeline for achieving them. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plans as needed to stay on track toward financial success. By incorporating these practical steps into your daily life, you can embrace financial minimalism and embark on a journey toward greater financial freedom, security, and fulfillment. Remember that financial minimalism is not about deprivation or sacrifice, but rather about making intentional choices that align with your values and priorities. Stay committed to your financial goals. Stay disciplined in your spending and saving habits. And stay mindful of the impact of your financial decisions on your overall well-being. With patience, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace change, you can transform your relationship with money and create a life of abundance, purpose, and joy. Until next time, thanks for watching.